Are you spending lots of time to make a presentation? Imagine if your boss given you strict order to make a presentation in just 5 minutes. What you will do? I'm here to teach you a tool which can make a presentation in just 5 minutes. So I'm introducing Gamma.app. It is a next-gen AI tool of making presentation and creates beautiful slides in just a minute. So I will show you how it works and how you can make your presentation creative. So type Gamma.app. You directly land on that page where you have to create the presentation. Okay, so just go on the create new. Okay, so there are three options you have in the create with AI. Okay, you can see the left options, paste in text. Here you got the bunch of the text box where you can give a outline or describe your projects what you want to make. Okay, so we don't have to go for this, so just we are coming back. Then we are going, we can see the right option, import file or URL. If you have there are also a bunch of options here, upload a file, import from drive, import from URL. Okay, so if you have file like PDF, anything else like Word doc, PowerPoint, and then import a drive like you have Google Drive links or documents, you can put here and you can make a presentation easily. But we don't have to go for this. Now in the center there is option generate, and now we have to learn about that only. So we are going on generate. Here we have bunch of options right here. First we see the cards. What cards is? Cards is like how much you slides you want in the presentation. Okay, so we click on the cards. Here is there are 50, you can make up to 50 cards. Okay, but if you want to go upper than 10 cards, you have to buy a premium version of that Gamma. Okay, so I will select 8 is I think enough for the presentation if you want to present something. Okay, so the next option is the page style, like what type of style you want. Okay, for this I suggest you to be on default, because when you describing your projects, it can be of anything, professional, creative, anything you can give information to the AI. Okay, and the third option is your language, what language you prefer. So I just prefer English. Okay, so the main thing is here, describe what you had like to make. So this is the short prompt section where we can describe our presentation topics, what we like to make. So I will paste my content here. Okay, so my presentation is based on create a vibrant and engaging presentation for a cookie company. Okay, I am making a presentation on cookie company of name is Sweet Crumb. Okay, let's see how it makes presentation. So click on generate outlines. So see, it's automatically describing all the outlines for me, like welcome to Sweet Crumbs, our story bagged with love, a flavor for every craving, like this. So very interesting topics also, and also it's giving the relevant topic for my presentation. Okay, if you don't like any of this outlines, you can change like this. You can change the layer from like third to fourth, or if you want to change like you want to show quality on second position, you can go for it. Okay, if you don't like this outlines, you can delete also. Okay, so you can do this. Here you can add extra card also if you want, like you want to make a 9th slide, you can add. Okay, I will prefer 8 slides only. Here is the theme option. You can select any of these themes where you can present your visualization more effective. Okay, so I will select this Oasis. Next we come on the content part. Okay, here there's a 3 option given: brief, medium, detailed. Okay, brief, if you select on brief, your presentation be like more eye-catching in the basis of visualization. Okay, and less content. On medium, your presentation based on visualization plus your content also. On detailed, your visualization is less but your content is more. Okay, so I will select brief. Then let's come on image source. Okay, on image source, here's the various option you can select here, like from where you can select the images for your presentation. Okay, so I prefer AI images because you don't know, you have to find good photos for your presentation. So AI do well job here, which select automatic images for your presentations. Okay, so I prefer AI images. Here one more option, image style. Image style is a optional section for you, like you have to describe color, style or mood of your images, so you can describe here also. I will set on default only. Let's come on AI image models. Okay, click on that. Here's the various models you can select here. There's a option there, plus and the pro. Okay, because this options available only for those who purchase this premium version of the Gamma. Okay, so I will prefer the Flux Fast 1.1 because it is a fast and also give a good quality of presentation. Okay, and this is the advanced mode. Okay, let's go on advanced mode. Here you can select a advanced version of your presentation. You can change content or you can change topics, more professional way you want. Okay, so I will prefer default only. Okay, so let's generate. So it's generating. So this is the very best part of this site, that it show you how it's making the presentation for you and how it's like typing your contents in front of you. Like see, it's generating AI pictures also. It's writing your contents because I selected brief option, that is why it's giving a brief description about my topics. Okay, see how good image AI generated here. Very good images, so that is why I selected AI images. Okay, so if you the plus point of this feature is you can change your topics here also. Okay, if you want to edit this, if you want to make this like not welcome, okay, just you have to type the sweet crumbs. Okay, or you want to type a fun thing like you know the taste of sweet crumbs. Okay, so this is the, you can make your topics by own. The AI done your work, like it generated all the topics and content for you. If you want to change anything, you can change from here. Okay, you can list your slides like this also. If your slide is more than like 10 and 12, so you can't see all slides together, so you can list here also. Okay, if you want a new slides, you can click on new card. Okay, and here also there is a add new with AI, like you have to select and add a new AI tab for in this presentation, so AI will make one more slide for you. Okay, and here also you can select more templates you want to make that slide to be. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and also you will apply this fast method to make a presentation in your daily life. So thank you for watching this video.